To start or stop network setup service in Windows 10 Home, right click on Start menu icon and then click or tap Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu, select Services and then scroll down Services screen, find Network Setup Service. And then right click on Network Setup Service. To start, select Start, or to stop, select Stop. Select Start to start or select Stop to stop. The Network Setup Service manages the installation of network drivers and permits the configuration of low-level network settings. If this service is stopped, any driver installation that are in progress may be cancelled. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.